Very nice one. Nice strong close above that recent high there. I think this predicts that we should see a new all-time high. Looks like it wants to go through that $110,000 levels. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for another trading day, and today again I will look at cryptocurrencies still making high wave candles in general on these daily charts, showing that the markets are still not sure where they want to go. At least Bitcoin looks much better than the rest, but let's have a look. Let's start off with Bitcoin, and last night very strong candle running up the page on the weekly charts. On the dailies, yes, not a spectacular candle yesterday, but definitely the best of all the cryptocurrency space that I could find. Very nice one, nice strong close above that recent high there. I think this predicts that we should see a new all-time high. Looks like it wants to go through that $110,000 levels. So let's see. Next stop then for me, it's roughly 125. I can't even zoom out so far, but if you use that swing there, I can now zoom out. You're looking here at 122, 123. So I think we can just bring it down, but maybe to 122, 123. And that target there seems to be about 140. Right, so I'm changing my levels slightly from 125 and 150 to 122, 123 and 140. Those are the two levels that I can spot on the Fibonacci's. You can draw it further and say I'm going to pick up that lows, and that's where I got the 125 and where I got the 150. So those are the ranges that we're looking at some targets at this stage. If you want to close out or hit some targets, that's the two areas I will be keeping my eye on. Solana, finding support. If you look at the daily charts, look at the shadowy candles, guys. This just shows the market doesn't know. Now, you know, we're all waiting for altcoin season, but as long as Bitcoin is roaring and as long as Bitcoin is taking center stage, we're not going to get this big moves yet on the altcoins. So let's see, but a very nice consolidation on the daily charts forming here. You can see a very nice flag pattern. So we just need something to close. I just need one strong bull candle. That's the bottom line, and that's the story for the morning. We just need one bull candle, strong daily bull candle to confirm. Doesn't mean it will fly straight up the page, but it will at least confirm. These shadowy candles are not good for us. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Inkasu. Do you struggle with customer queries that takes up all your time? Contact Inkasu to help transform your website customer focus with an integrated AI staff member. For more info, check out the link in the description. XRP, you can see on the weekly charts here, still difficult. Yesterday, actually a little bit of a black candle. Pushing this morning. It seems like it keeps pushing in the morning and then fading in the afternoons. So this is what we're after, a long white candle on the dailies. XLM, battling there with the levels, really battling. If you look at the daily charts, yet again, look there, shadowy candles. Now, this shows definitely a loss of momentum to the downside. You can see long black, and then it's getting smaller. So it is making a bottom reversal, but this could also be down consolidation for another leg down the page, and I'm not predicting. I think it's gonna turn. I don't think we're going to see another leg down the page, but there's always that option or possibility. If you look at Cardano, yes, bouncing a little bit on the weekly charts. Look at the daily candles here yet again. So it is setting nice long lower shadows, but it's also shadowy on top. That's why I'm after this one big daily white candle on all of them. That will confirm. Bitcoin Cash, daily charts, shadowy candles. Yesterday, little doji. Yeah, shows a loss of momentum on the bearish side of things, but it's still not confirming the bullishness. Chainlink, yesterday, high wave candle, just cannot hold the highs. It cannot hold the highs, which is not good for us. Polkadot, pushing slightly on the halfway mark, which is great. Look at the daily candles, small white. So we saw the long blacks turning into small bodies. You can see the long black candles getting smaller and slowly but surely but I need a strong bull candle. Litecoin, battling. You can see here yesterday, long black candle. That's the worst performer of them all. That long black candle, it rips out the heart of any bullishness here. But all right, a strong white candle will still be awesome. Dogecoin, holding, but on high wave candles. Ethereum, pushing very nicely up the page than the weekly charts, but look at yesterday's candle. But all right, Ethereum, we've got this nice white candle 2 days ago, which was good enough for me. This was just a test, maybe waiting for the rest of the market. And a nice push up here would definitely be very good news for the bulls. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk. Don't forget to trade responsibly and never ever trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.